Imagine waking up in a world where YouTube never existed. No cat videos, no KSI versus Logan Paul, no how to cook rice without burning the pot guides at 2 a.m. It's hard to even picture it, right? A world without tutorials, reaction videos, unboxings, gaming streams, or people yelling, "Smash that like button." But what would actually happen if YouTube never existed? Well, it turns out a lot. Let's take a trip into the alternate timeline where YouTube never showed up, and life online was a little less smart, a little less chaotic, and definitely a lot more boring. Let's be honest. YouTube turned all of us into overnight experts. No plumber? Just watch a video. Need to fix your phone screen? There's a 12-minute tutorial. Want to learn Photoshop in 5 minutes? There's a guy who can teach you from his basement. But in a world without YouTube, your sink leaks? Good luck. Your car won't start. You're Googling articles with no diagrams and questionable grammar and cutting your own hair? That becomes a gamble between looking like a K-pop star or a sad potato. DIY culture would collapse faster than your IKEA shelf because you'd have no one to show you how to actually assemble it. We'd go back to relying on instruction manuals, hotlines, and that one friend who thinks they know everything. Think about the last time you Googled something and clicked videos instead of all. Yeah, that's YouTube doing its thing. From learning a new language to figuring out Excel formulas, YouTube is the default global university. Without it, you'd probably have to attend physical classes, buy actual books, or ask people for help. Students would struggle to revise, teachers would lose an amazing visual tool, and millions of people wouldn't have learned to code, sew, dance, or do makeup because TikTok doesn't teach, it entertains. No YouTube equals no I learned this in an hour and now I'm a professional. Just a world full of confused people and expensive online courses. In a world without YouTube, the word influencer might still refer to someone with a cold. No Mr. Beast, no PewDiePie, no Emma Chamberlain, Marques Brownlee, or those twins who prank their dad every Sunday. YouTubers turned regular people into global brands without needing a Hollywood agent. Without YouTube, creators would have to fight for TV airtime, beg for a radio slot, or post on Facebook like it's 2010. Unboxing videos? Gone. Product reviews? You'd be stuck reading angry blog posts from 2009. And brands? They'd have to go back to boring TV ads because they wouldn't have creators doing sponsored "What's in my bag" videos with 7 affiliate links. YouTube gave us a free global music stage. Justin Bieber was literally discovered on YouTube. So was Shawn Mendes, and so many independent artists who just needed a webcam and a beat. Without YouTube, music discovery would be slower. Artists would rely heavily on radio and labels. Lyric videos, cover songs, and dance challenges might not exist the way we know them. And music videos? You'd have to wait for MTV to play them, or buy DVDs like it's 2004. Also, there'd be no Baby Shark. Okay, so maybe that's a win. But still, YouTube revolutionized music, and without it, the industry might be stuck in the past. Without YouTube, breaking news would break a lot slower. No citizen journalism, no viral footage from protests, natural disasters, or political scandals. No breaking down what just happened at the Oscars in under 3 minutes content. News agencies would control the narrative even more. And social commentary? Well, you'd have to write a blog, hope someone reads it, and then what? Send a newsletter? YouTube gave us reaction, analysis, and perspective, sometimes all in one chaotic 9-minute video filmed on a phone. Without it, public discourse would be quieter and way less memeable. Gamers, prepare to cry. Without YouTube, there'd be no walkthroughs, no Let's Plays, no speedruns, no rage compilations, and definitely no Minecraft roleplays that somehow have a billion views. Entire gaming communities were born on YouTube. Content like Dreams Manhunts, Markiplier's Horror Screams, or gaming ASMR wouldn't exist. Game developers also rely on YouTube for hype and feedback. Without it, launches would flop more often and gamers would be yelling into the void. Twitch would still exist, sure, but without YouTube, it wouldn't have had a blueprint to follow. YouTube didn't just entertain, it created full-time jobs. Millions of creators earn through ads, brand deals, merch, super chats, and more. No YouTube? That income stream vanishes. Aspiring filmmakers, educators, comedians, animators, they'd be stuck pitching to Netflix or TV execs instead of building their own audience. It's not just cat videos and prank channels. It's business, it's community, it's people making a living by being themselves. Without YouTube, the creator economy would be a lot smaller and a lot more gate-kept. So what if YouTube never existed? We'd still learn, but slower. We'd still be entertained, but less often. We'd still find creators, but with a lot more effort. YouTube changed the world, not just for how we watch, but for how we connect, share, learn, and create. From education to music, comedy to activism, careers to communities. It's more than just a video site. It's part of the internet's DNA. So next time you click skip ad, remember, YouTube gave you a front row seat to the world. Now tell me in the comments, what would you miss most if YouTube never existed? And of course, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, or else I'll make you read a PDF every time you need to fix your Wi-Fi